Hey, welcome. Today it's all about cranberries. Yes, I just got to ask you, do you really know what the health benefits of cranberries are, and which cranberry foods should you buy and which ones should you not buy? Okay, so today it's all about cranberries. I just want to encourage you to check out cranberries, add them into your diet, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should add cranberries into your diet and which cranberry foods you should not count as being healthy. Some of them aren't going to surprise you, but I think you're going to be interested in what I have to share with you because everyone's interested in losing weight, heart disease, cancer, and some people even have issues with UTIs. That's what we're going to talk about today. I'm here in the grocery store. It's Grocery Discovery Day, and I'm Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. And remember, today it's about cranberries, what you should look for, what you should not look for, and why you need these in your diet every day. Okay, so, there's always that time of the year where cranberries are popular. And in the fall and in the winter, that's when they're popular. In fact, this bag of cranberries I bought at Aldi for 25 cents. I mean, that is unheard of years ago. And so I actually bought a couple bags. I'm going to take them home, put them in the freezer, and because this is a superfood. Of course, any food God creates in its natural form is going to be a superfood. But I want to share with you why they are a superfood. So first of all, what's really cool about cranberries is actually they're native to North America. Usually these superfoods have to be found in some island way off of Fiji or the Philippines or something like that, or in the deep rainforests of South America. But no, this superfood comes from America, and it's just a very delicious food. We all know it's got that sharp, tart flavor, which is why usually there's a lot of sugar added to it. But I want you to understand the value of the cranberry so you'll know why you should be adding this to your diet every day. Okay, so first of all, I preach 2 things, right? I preach fiber, I preach protein. Well, guess. So let me just ask you, do you think they both are in cranberries? Okay, they're not. There is hardly any negligible amount of protein in cranberries, but that's okay because they make up for it in fiber. We have a soluble fiber and we have an insoluble fiber. Insoluble means it's going to be a broom for your digestive system. That means it's going to clean things out for you. It's going to keep you nice and squeaky clean, and that's what you want. You want some insoluble fiber in your diet for that reason. Insoluble fiber grabs the bad cholesterol and gets rid of it. Yeah, so this food, these cranberries, because of the insoluble fiber, they are going to reduce your LDL cholesterol. They're going to increase your HDL cholesterol. Yeah, isn't that great? Not only that, they lower your homocysteine level, and they just have this miraculous effect on your cardiovascular health, which I've just given you 3 reasons why they're great for your health of your heart. Okay, so besides your heart, they also are going to help to prevent cancers. Now specifically, they have been really studied a lot in stomach cancers. So adding cranberries into your diet is going to improve the digestive microbiome, and that's going to help prevent stomach cancers. Now there's also another ingredient in cranberries, and I've been practicing this word, so I'm going to hope I say it right. Proanthocyanidins. I think I got it right. Anyway, that nutrient alone, it's a polyphenol, and it's the same nutrient that helps to prevent and overcome UTIs, which is like a urinary tract infection. Well, it's not like, it actually is. And so that same nutrient, which helps women use it a lot for UTIs and to prevent and all of that, but it's the same nutrient that helps to reduce or help prevent stomach cancers. So this is amazing, and some people don't realize cancers can be growing in your body for 20 years before you even know. And so anything we can do to add this to our children's diet, our grandchildren's diet, even in our own diet, we're going to be adding a preventative measure. And so this is just amazing. Okay, so also some people are dealing with H. pylori. And so like I said, this is going to help rebuild the microbiome in the digestive tract, and that means you're going to actually help prevent or reverse H. pylori. So if you've got it, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see what else can we do. So this is going to even help with weight loss because of the fiber. When we fill up with fiber, our body says, okay, we don't need any more extra food. So these are some amazing reasons why we need to add cranberries in our diet, and you might want to stock up if it's the fall and get a lot of cranberries in your freezer, because they will stay in your freezer up to a year. Now, I will say, you do need, when you open the bag, make sure and wash them, and also check to see if any of them are bad or ugly. Because I made a recipe yesterday, my cranberry salad, which I'll put in the comments down below. Delicious recipe. It uses dates for the sweetener and some homemade whipped topping, and then some pineapple and pecans. The perfect dish to take to any holiday party or any family get-together. It's just amazing. Okay. Now, this is what you're looking for, but we all know these are incredibly tart and hard. You don't just like pick up a cranberry and eat it. I mean, no, it would be better as a decoration than to eat it because they're so tart. And so a lot of times we buy other foods, we buy dried cranberries because they've been sweetened so much that they taste delicious. You could just sit and eat dried cranberries. But if you're fasting, any type of fasting, the Daniel fast or intermittent fasting, these can really cause havoc because of the high sugar count. These also are not going to give you the health benefits. If you're looking for health benefits, it has to be either the fresh cranberries, just throw them in the blender, add them to your smoothies, or a cranberry extract from a company you trust. And I don't really have one that I recommend, but you can research that yourself. This is not going to give you the health benefits that you're looking for. And I picked up a couple other things. Here we have some cranberry white cheddar cheese. This is not going to give you the health benefits either. It may look great on a holiday platter or something like that, and with the red dots and all that, but don't even start counting this as a heart protector, okay? And then last but not least, I have to put this in because anytime I talk about a healthy food, my husband always wants to know about chocolate, and he thinks if I say chocolate is healthy, he can eat all the chocolate he wants. Okay, this is chocolate-covered cranberries. It does not count for heart health. So just want to put that in there, especially for my husband. No, this does not count towards heart health. This is just, it just is what it is. It's just a sugar food, and maybe you have it every once in a while, but don't even start telling me you're eating cranberries for your preventing cancer, or helping with heart disease, or helping with your BMI. This ain't gonna cut it. So anyway, I just want to share this with you. Remember, we always go by the 3 principles. Eat the foods that God called food for you. Eat the foods as close to His design, which, yeah, it's going to be a tart cranberry, but throw it in, like I said, with some dates, a natural sweetener where you get extra fiber. Ooh, that's crazy. And then don't let any food become an addiction. There's no way I don't believe there's a person out there that's addicted to cranberries in the raw form. That's just, I don't see how that could happen. Anyway, I'm Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. Thanks for watching. Hey, Ray, it's good to see you. And I just want to say thanks. If you have a food that you want me to check out for you in the grocery store, how to buy it, where to get it, what to do with it, be sure and send me an email or comment down below, and I look forward to answering your questions. Thanks for watching.